Hello, I would like you to meet my friend Tish Johnson. Tish and I met about 10 years ago. We were in the same Rotary Club in downtown Seattle. And then she got into a very severe accident and ultimately ended up hiring me. Tish, do you want to tell us about that accident?
My sister was driving a car, and I was a passenger in the car about 10 years ago. And in 1 minute, my life completely changed. We were in an accident here in Renton, and I broke both of my wrists and 8 fingers in this accident. And it was a very serious. I was in the hospital for several days, and because it was my sister, we decided that we would deal directly with her insurance company on my ever-mounting medical bills. Her insurance company actually refused any home help for me. Now remember, I had no hands at all. I own a business at that time, still do, and I was a very busy person. I couldn't even hold a telephone. So it became increasingly difficult for me to operate. It was very depressing, and still the insurance companies wouldn't compensate any household help. In fact, they went one step further and decided that my sister and I were in collusion to break both of my wrists and have, so we could buy some extra Christmas presents or something. I'm not sure what their thought was on this. 2 months out, finally I hired Ruth and said, "You've got to do something." And just immediately upon Ruth being hired, the insurance company decided that I could have some care at home.
Okay, Tish, after going through all of this, if there's one thing, if you could go back and you could do differently as you sit here today, what would that be?
It would have to be, I would have never left that hospital without making contact with an attorney, and you especially, because even the treatment in the hospital was sketch, because the insurance company right away, the operation wasn't for 24 hours after the accidents. The insurance company, even at that point, was not coming forward to guarantee that the hospital would be paid. So even at that point, I don't feel that I was getting the type of care that an insured person would get.